In this video, I will show you how to turn on your TCL Roku TV without the remote control. So if you misplaced your TCL Roku TV remote control, or for some reasons your remote control is not just working, like mine over here is currently not working even when I press on the power button to turn on the TV, by the end of this video, I will show you how to still be able to turn on your TCL Roku TV without your remote control. And in addition to that, I'm going to show you some tips on how to still be able to control your TCL Roku TV, navigate through apps still without the remote control. Now simply to turn on the TV, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and look for the power or menu button on your TCL Roku TV. Usually this power or menu button is located just below the TCL logo over here on your TCL Roku TV. So if you come over to the bottom over here, you should be able to find the power or menu button, and depending on the model of TCL Roku TV you have, you might actually find this power or menu button at the back of the right hand side of your TCL Roku TV or at the back of the left hand side of the TV. And once I just tap on that particular button once, you can now see the TV automatically comes to life. Now just to help you further, in order for you to control or navigate through the TV, you can as well use that power or menu button to control the TV. So basically once you tap on the power button once again, you're going to see this menu over here. Now what you just want to do is to continuously tap on that button to navigate through all of the options over here, and to select any of the options, just leave the selector in that particular option you want, and the TV should automatically select that particular menu for your TCL Roku TV. Now if you want to push things a little further to be able to open up apps and navigate through all of the apps on the TV, what you can actually try is to simply just go ahead and connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi that the TCL Roku TV is connected to, and then from over here you want to make sure you download and install this Roku app over here from the Google Play Store or App Store. And with this app, you can now control and navigate through all of the apps on your TCL Roku TV without your actual remote control. And as you can see over here, once I select the name of my TV, I can now navigate through all of the apps on my TCL Roku TV with my phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.